Dear students, myself, Dr. G.C. Sadashivappa, Assistant Professor, Department of History, Government First Grade College, Davangere. Today I go to discuss the Vardhana dynasty's achievements in session 48. This is the now the first of all I have to know the introduction of Vardhanas. So who are their dynasty's successors? Huan who visited India between 630 AD to 644 AD during the time of Vardhana dynasty's rule. Then he writes Cuk book. It deals with the history of Vardhanas. Its name is Cuk. He was called as Prince of Pilgrims and also the Master of the Law. He visited the India, it's called a land of moon, through the Tashkent, Samarkand, Balkh, Gandhara, Punjab, Gaya, Kapilavastu, and Kushi Nagara, and he went up to the Bengal. He writes the Indian society, status, and towns, caste system, education. Then the Pushyabhuti was the founder of Vardhana dynasty, followed by Rajavardhana and Aditya Vardhana. Thaneshwar was the capital city of Vardhanas. Prabhakara Vardhana ruled in 583 to 60 AD, 605 AD. He had two sons, one is Rajavardhana, another one is Arshavardhana, and one daughter Rajasri. So Gruhavarma, ruler of Kanaus, husband of Rajasri. Gruhavarma killed by Malwa king Devgupta with the help of Sasanka, the king of Gauda or Bengal Desha. But Rajavardhana wished to take the revenge against Shashanka, but the Rajavardhana was killed by Sasanka. Because of this, Harshavardhana, at the age of 16, he was reluctant to occupy the throne of Thaneshwara and Kanaus. But the Harshavardhana came to power by the councillors of ministers and other well-wishers of their dynasty. Harshavardhana ruled 605 to 646 AD. His military campaigns, Harsha was a great warrior. Shashanka, the king of Gauda, was the target of Harsha. It was the main um, a defeat of Shashanka was the main ambition of Harsha. Elaborate preparation for war against Gauda king allied with the Bhaskara Varma of Kamarupa or Assam. After the death of Sasanka, Harsha occupied Bengal. During the Sasanka, he was not able to occupy the Bengal. Then went up to Orissa and East Bengal. The war with Pulikesh is very interesting war in the time of 7th century. Pulikeshi, the Badami king, contemporary of Harshvardhana. The war held between Harsha and Pulikeshi II in the Narmada at the sand of Narmada or the bank of on the bank of Narmada. Harsha was unable to defeat Pulikeshi, but Pulikeshi able to defeat the Harsha. This situation is written by Ravikirti in Aivale inscription. So the Pulikeshi second acquired the title of Parameshwara. Then by defeating Harsha, the warlike lord of all the regions of north, this honor was indicates. Aivala inscription by Ravikirti traced this war beautifully and in Sanskrit language. Then the expeditions of Harsha. Harsha expand their supremacy over the North India and moved to the North frontier regions. On Vallavi ruler, Dadda was defeated, and Bhanabhatta refers conquest on Sindh, then conquest on Nepal and Kashmir, then the conquest on Orissa after the death of Pulkeshi. Ganjam was occupied. It is a part of Orissa. Harsha had relation with king of China. He sent the one team to the China. Then the Harsha's extent of his empire. Kamarupa to Kashmir, Assam to Kashmir, and Himalaya to Vindhya region. This region indicates the whole North India came under the Harshavardhana. Saurashtra, Kanya Gauda, Mithila, and Orissa under the Alleghans. Taneshwara, Kanaus, Ahichitra, Rohindkanda, and Shavasti was the main cities of their empire. Harsha was supreme sovereign of Uttarapata. Uttarapata was the honor of Harsha. So he has a good administrative system. He maintained a scientific administrative system. He introduced this method. King was the supreme of central government. Always we are all are now. The Council of Ministers and Secretariat. Some of the ministers like Mahasamanta, Maharaja, Upharika, Kata Bata, Rajasthania, and Vishayapati. The land revenue is a important revenue. It was the profit to in of wealth. Four types of land, one sixth, and the four types of land taxes were taken by the peoples or citizens of the empire. The taxes like Bhaga, Hiranya, and Bali. The province, the central government, the whole empire was divided in province. The province is divided by bhuktis. Bhukti is also called as province. The province, these bhuktis divided in vishyas. Vishyas means districts, and districts were divided in pataka. Pataka means taluks. So under the taluks, so many villages are come. All the stages had judiciary system. These are the multiple choice questions on the Vardhanas. Who was the founder of Vardhana dynasty? Pushyabhuti was the answer A. Who was the prince of pilgrims? Answer is B. Uyensa. Which was the capital city of Vardhana? Thaneshwara was the capital city of Vardhanas. Then, which was the honor of Harsha? Answer is D. Uttarapata. Harsha was defeated by which ruler? Harsha, answer is A. Harsha was defeated by Pulkeshi, the second great king of Badami, Karnataka. And thank you, one and all.